Marhaban. This is our workshop to support you to know how can you help your child at home in Arabic. Let's start with our agenda. Our agenda for this workshop, it will be our Arabic team. I will introduce my Arabic team in primary. Then Miss Dina will introduce some fun facts about Arabic and let's learn Arabic. Then we will introduce our guidance by year group for Arabic A and Arabic B from year 1 to year 6. Our team in Arabic primary, Miss Nadine Darazi, the Director of Arabic and Islamic, Primary and Secondary. Myself, Head of Arabic, Abdurrahman Shaiba. For Arabic A, Miss Nermeen, Mr. Saeed, Miss Sarah. For Arabic B, Miss Leen, Miss Dina, Miss Rawan, Miss Hanan, Miss Hiba, Mr. Ahmed Shakir, and Mr. Ahmed Salim.
Now, I will ask you a few questions about Arabic. Let's see how much you know about Arabic language. The first question, how many letters are there in the Arabic language? Do you know? How many people around the world speaks Arabic? Does Arabic have capital letter and lowercase like English? And which sound we have in Arabic and it doesn't exist in any other language? Can you search for these answers? Let's listen to the greeting song and try to repeat it with the song.
صباح الخير كيف الحال أنا بخير شكرا شكرا عفوا شكرا شكرا عفوا مع السلامة إلى اللقاء مع السلامة إلى اللقاء.
I hope you enjoyed the song. Now, let's learn Arabic, and this is the basic and the very important start of Arabic, which is how to join the letters to form a word. Arabic is not like English because we need to join, to connect the letters to form a word, and this will make it easy to read and to write. The steps that you can follow is this. First, we must start from the right because Arabic language starts from the right. Then we will check if the letter is friendly or not friendly. In the next slide, I will show you what are the unfriendly letters. If it's friendly, then we need to change it to the small form and then we need to join the letter. Let's see. These are the unfriendly letters. We have only 6 unfriendly letters. Da, the, ra, z, wa, and a. We call them unfriendly because they can connect from one side only and they cannot connect from the other side. To do the steps easily, I put an example for you. First, to start from the right. This is the right side of the word. Then we check if it's friendly or not friendly. We check here. I cannot see it in this list. Then this letter is friendly. Then we need to change it to the small form and then join it with the next letter. These are the Arabic letters, all of them. I put them in a list here to show you how we connect the letter, how we change it to the smaller shape so we can connect it with the other letter. You will find them all here. And these are the unfriendly letters. To make a test, or you can try it yourself. I will ask you to do it before you continue watching. Try to join these letters and try to join these letters following the steps. We start from the right. This letter is friendly. We cut it, and then there will be a hand to join with the next letter. This letter is unfriendly, so it will not join to the other letter. Same here, this one. From the right side, it's not here, it is friendly. We will put the other shape of the letter. There is a hand, we go to the next letter, friendly. We change it, and then the last letter. This is how we write Arabic words.
Thank you, Ms. Dina. Now, this our guidance from year 1 to year 6, Arabic B.
For Arabic B, we send the homework or home learning on CISO every Friday. You can find it by opening the Arabic page. It's not the homeroom page, it's the Arabic page. They have a separate CISO page. Please, if you cannot find it, look out and then look in. Then you can find the Arabic CISO page. Then you can support your child at home by encourage them to do the homework that we send every Friday. It's always related to what we learn in the class. It's not hard, but it's very important so they can revise the information at home. I hope you will start encouraging your kids to do the homework.
بالنسبة للغة العربية لغير الناطقين بها من الصف الأول للصف السادس، نحن نتبع كتب الوزارة والوثيقة الوطنية في وضع الأهداف والتوقعات، ونبذل جهدا كبيرا في تقريب هذا المنهاج من بيئة طلابنا الأعزاء. نستخدم أيضا برنامج سيسو لوضع الواجبات، إذ تجدونها كل جمعة في الساعة 12. الواجبات من الصف الأول للصف الثالث عبارة عن 3 مجموعات، يمكن للطالب أن يختار المجموعة التي تناسبه. ومن الصف الرابع للصف السادس هناك مجموعتان، ويمكن للطالب أيضا أن يختار المجموعة التي تناسبه. نحاول قدر المستطاع أن ننوع المهارات في الواجب، فستجد القراءة الجهرية وفهم المقروء ومعاني المفردات والتحدث والقواعد بنوعيها النحوية والإملائية. الواجب مهم جدا ليتقدم الطالب أكثر ويحافظ على استخدام العربية خارج أسوار المدرسة. Thank you and we wish the best for all of you. مع السلامة.